off today, so. Alright, so I was told, give them a little warning. The other way. Oh, poor girl. Alright, let's try to be careful. You keep going underneath. You grab the other side, the clips.
It's alive!
Yep.
It's alive!
So, first things first, let's go take a look at what we got on the end, because one of the things that he said was it shouldn't be 6, or it should be 6, not 7. So,
What do you mean 6, not 7?
6 frames.
Oh, okay. So you're just gonna take one out.
I'm gonna try to take one out. I think I'll see what I can do on this one.
They're building a little bit on the wall there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's not actually, it's a little tiny bit.
That's good. I mean, they're busy.
This guy down there.
Nice.
Start spacing these guys out. Go from the outside.
So what have they built then? They built all this? Yeah.
This is all brand new
This
comb.
is all brand new.
Hey, look, we've got.
Oh, there she is. Is that her? Right there?
Nope. No. But I see.
These are all brand new.
Nectar. I see nectar.
I'm gonna try to find the queen. She's marked.
It should be. See, that's why I think I messed up. That's why it's too tight. That's why that comb is like that.
Yeah, because they kind of grow fat.
Yup. So we're gonna try to give them some more room. That way we don't roll them, is what I found out. This one name. This one feels heavy. Oh, yeah. We got
They're
honey going in.
getting some honey in there.
I don't see any eggs or anything. Definitely honey in here. Yeah, we can go.
Yeah.
Alright, nothing, no queen and no, she may be in the box on the bottom, or on the bottom. Wow, got these three together pretty good.
You almost don't need a hive tool for this.
Almost. They were gluing this one together.
That's amazing, dude. All the comb they made.
Yeah, maybe quite a bit.
They're busy.
I don't see any. I don't see her. And I don't see. Not on the bottom, is she? I see a big grouping. They are putting in nectar though.
These are the chillest bees ever.
I hope that's the way we stay. Watch out, you. Alright. We're getting busier on this side. This is where she went in.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a feeling that she's going to be.
Wow, dude. That is just amazing. It's been, you said 8 days?
Yeah, I went in last Friday, remember?
They've built all that comb. Fascinating.
Alright, I don't see any eggs. I see a lot of comb.
A lot of comb.
There's a lot of open comb, but they're putting
a little bit of honey.
A little bit of nectar, yeah.
Nectar, yeah. I don't see any pollen, but you don't have brood, so that makes sense, right? Because they only collect the pollen for the brood. So they probably wouldn't collect that right now just because they're busy making comb.
Now this comb looks more empty. It's fully drawn out.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a full frame. I don't see her. I think she might be down in the other box. They got a little bit of honey on this one. Watch out, girls.
Yeah, that's a good tip, not having that extra.
Yeah, I think that's why I kind of damaged that comb a little bit, but give them a little more space.
Yeah.
Alright, last frame in this box. Ah, there she is. And she's marked.
Aha.
There's our queen.
I see you, girl.
Yep. And she is walking around.
She's busy.
I don't see any. Still don't see any eggs though.
Don't squish her going back.
Oh no. She's sliding in between. There she goes. Oh, she's over here now. Alright, well, I'm not going to mess with her too much. There she is.
There she is.
There is fresh nectar in there, it looks like. Alright, let's make sure she's up on the top frame right now, on the end. I did not expect that. You can see, look at their abdomens, you can see them expressing beeswax on a couple of them. You see it?
Yeah. It's amazing.
Okay, so she's in this box. Everything looks otherwise good. I don't see any evidence of laying though.
You want me to just lift this up and just look at the bottom one?
Well, I think we can put this down.
Okay.
He said we can put it down against here. We just don't put it flat. We put it against the pole like that, is what he mentioned. Unless you want to hold it, but I'm gonna, you know what, let me...
You want me to just hold it?
Give it a little bit of smoke if you want to hold it up. Okay, so you want to put it down, or do you want put it up against the pipe so it's not straight on the ground? Just like that's what he said, but she's down there, so I want to be careful.
Make sure we put that back the same way.
Yep. Okay. Alright, kiddos. Let's try to see if we can get one of these guys out of here.
How's it looking?
We found her.
How's everything else looking?
Really good, actually.
Good. They're busy, man. Building all that comb.
Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, this is wedged in. This is all.
Oh.
Yep. Not too much I can do about it. Let's try to help him get out of the way. There we go. Alright, so that fell.
Yeah, they haven't drawn this out.
Come on, back in the house. Alright, so this one, I'm going to take that one out along with the other one. Alright. Propolis.
Propolis.
All right, nothing on this one. Wow, the foundation fell on a lot of these. They're drawing this one out.
That's probably why they're sticking together.
There's not a lot of, yeah, look at.
Yeah.
So they're just drawing the bottom box out.
Yep.
Okay, so no sense going in because there's nothing. They haven't even drawn this bottom box.
Nothing to look at.
Okay, so wait a minute. I'm gonna
to
take
see
this.
here.
I'm gonna take the excluder off first.
Oh, okay.
So. All right, ready? Oop. Yeah, hang on to that. Okay.
So you want me to just pop this? Oh,
Yeah.
it's stapled too.
Grab the excluder off. Doing a little surgery here. I'm wondering if we should switch the boxes, like switch the top and the bottom.
I don't know. That might confuse us.
Okay. Well.
What do you think?
Okay. So. I'm gonna try to. Don't know. Come on. We're trying to go back up. Good. Okay. A lot of noise out of them. Alright, ready? Put this guy back up. I gotta tighten these.
Yeah.
Any action over there?
No, you're good. Come on down. What is this cork?
That is from the cage.
Yeah. Okay.
Chin and butt. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's that.
Alright, shake that on there.
Let's shake those guys out on here. Looks like some dead ones, but
You can figure it out.
yep. You
Ready?
wanna give them a pop? Okay, so that's that. Did we accomplish everything he said? I think so. See her in there. See, well, let's give them a little. There's no weird comb. Hey, everybody down. We're about to go put things back up. Look at that guy.
I know. There was a big one like that originally that I was like, oh, that's the queen.
No.
Alright, they're thoroughly pissed now. Oh, hold on, dude. Let's shake this one. I'll just shake it at the entrance.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep.
Ready?
All right. So everything's good here.
There's Janice to make a candle out of that wax.
Out of what?
Out of that wax that they drew.
Oh. All right. So let's get
Nicely done, sir.
this back on.
Yeah, for a little hive like that, that is kind of a lot of turmoil.
But they're not coming after us.
Nah, putting the life back together.
Yeah. Give this a little bit of front view. I mean, they didn't come after me. Did they come after you?
No, not a drop.
Not a single thing. Knock on the hive.
Knock on a wood hive.
I filled this though the 2 days ago.
Oh, okay.
And look how far it's down. So, but there is signs that they're going and getting nectar. There was yellow, you know, there was.
Yeah, because when I was watching, they